Hello, you must be Jack the Magician.
Hello. Yes, that is me. I am here for the party.
Welcome to our home. I am Emma, Toby's mother.
It is nice to meet you. Is Toby excited today?
He is very excited. He is 5 years old now.
5 is a great age. Children love magic at 5.
We have 15 children here. Is that okay for you?
That is a perfect number. I like small groups.
Your suitcase is very large. Do you have many props?
Yes, I have many things inside. I have cards and hats.
Please come into the living room. It is very big.
This room is perfect for a show. It is very bright.
I put some balloons over there. Do you like them?
They are very colorful. The red and blue look great.
Where do you want to stand? The corner is empty.
The corner near the window is good. I need more space.
I will move this small table for you. Is this better?
Yes, that is much better. Thank you for your help.
Do you need some water or juice? It is very hot.
A glass of water is fine. Thank you, Emma.
I will get it for you now. The children are playing outside.
That is good. I can prepare my tricks in private.
How much time do you need? 10 minutes?
10 minutes is enough for me. I am very fast.
Great. I will go and call the children soon.
I have a surprise for Toby. It is a special trick.
He will be very happy. He loves surprises.
I am opening my suitcase now. Let the magic begin.
I am very happy you are here. This will be fun.
I am ready to start. See you in a moment.
Here is your water, Jack. I put some ice in it.
Thank you so much. It is very cold and fresh.
The children are finished with their lunch. Are you ready?
I am almost ready now. I am checking my wand.
That wand looks very old. Is it a real one?
It is my favorite wand. It has a lot of power.
You have many silk cloths here. Are they for a trick?
Yes, I change their colors. Red becomes yellow and green.
That is very interesting. The children will love the colors.
Do you have a small chair for me? I need it.
I have this blue chair here. It is very strong.
This is perfect for my rabbit trick. It is a toy rabbit.
It looks very real. I think Toby will be surprised.
I hide it in this black hat. It is a classic trick.
I remember this trick from my own childhood. My father liked it.
Everyone loves the rabbit in the hat. It is always popular.
Should I turn off the big lights or keep them on?
Please turn them off. The small lamp is better.
I will do that now. It creates a mysterious atmosphere.
That is the secret of magic. Light and shadow are important.
I am very nervous about the show. I hope they sit quiet.
Do not worry, Emma. I know how to talk to kids.
You have a lot of experience. I can see that.
I do many parties every week. It is a happy job.
I can hear the children at the door. They are coming.
I am putting on my hat. I am a magician now.
You look very professional. The kids will be quiet.
Please sit in the back. You can enjoy the show too.
I will watch from the kitchen. I have to prepare the cake.
Good luck with the cake. I will start the show now.
The show was amazing, Jack. The children are laughing.
Thank you. They are a very good audience today.
I am in the kitchen now. Can you help me?
Of course. What is the problem with the cake?
I cannot find the candles. I put them on the table.
I see some small boxes near the sink. Are these them?
Yes, those are the candles. Thank you, Jack.
You have 5 candles for Toby. They are very colorful.
I need to put them on the cake. The cake is chocolate.
This cake looks delicious. Did you bake it today?
No, I bought it yesterday. My baking is not very good.
It looks beautiful anyway. Chocolate is always a winner.
I am putting the candles in a circle. Is this okay?
It looks very nice. Toby will want to blow them out.
Do you have a lighter? I cannot find mine.
I am a magician. I have a small lighter in my pocket.
That is very lucky for me. You have everything today.
I am always prepared for anything. This is my rule.
The kids are getting hungry. They want the cake now.
I will go back and finish the last trick. It is short.
Is it the trick with the gold coins? Toby loves coins.
Yes, I will give him a gold chocolate coin. He will be happy.
You are very kind to him. This is a special day.
I like to make birthdays special. It is my mission.
I am ready with the plates. We have 15 plates.
I will lead the children to the table. We will sing.
Happy Birthday is a great song. Toby loves to sing it.
Let's go together. I will play some music on my phone.
That is a great idea. Music makes a party better.
The show is almost over. The cake is the best finale.
The children are eating the cake. They are very quiet now.
Chocolate cake is very powerful. It makes children stop talking.
You did a great job today. Thank you so much, Jack.
I enjoyed the show. The children were very smart.
Toby is still talking about the rabbit. He thinks it is real.
That is the best part of magic. Imagination is a gift.
I am putting your cards back in the box. Is this okay?
Yes, thank you. I need to organize my suitcase now.
Your wand is on the floor. I will pick it up for you.
Thank you. It is very important to me.
Do you do parties for adults too, or only for children?
I do both. Adults like card tricks very much.
Maybe for my husband's birthday next year. He likes magic.
I would love to come. I have many different tricks.
I will save your phone number. It is on your card.
Please call me anytime. I am always available on weekends.
The house is very messy now. There is paper everywhere.
That is a sign of a good party. Everyone had fun.
I will start to clean the floor soon. It is a big job.
I can help you with the chairs. I am strong.
No, you are a guest. Please sit and relax for a moment.
I am not a guest. I am the magician. I am a helper.
You are very kind. I will get you another glass of juice.
Orange juice is great. I love the vitamins.
Here is your juice. The kids are going outside again.
The sun is still out. It is a beautiful afternoon.
I am happy the weather is good. Rain is bad for parties.
Yes, sunshine is the best magic for a birthday.
I am sitting down now. My legs are very tired.
You worked hard today, Emma. You are a great mother.
Look at all these empty cups. There are so many of them.
I am putting them in this big box. Is that okay?
Yes, thank you. I will put the trash in the bin.
There is some cake on the table. I will clean it.
I have a wet cloth here. It is very fast.
The children left some toys on the floor. Be careful.
Oh, I see them. Toby has many new cars today.
It is a big collection. He is a lucky boy.
We are almost finished with the living room. It looks better.
I am folding my magic cable now. It is very small now.
That is a very smart design. It fits in your bag.
Yes, I made it myself. I like to build things.
You are very talented, Jack. You are a builder and a magician.
I like to keep my hands busy. It is my hobby.
Is your family here in the city or in another place?
My family is in a small town. It is near the forest.
That sounds very peaceful. I love the forest.
I visit them every month. It is my time to relax.
I understand. The city is very noisy and fast.
But today was a very happy noise. I liked the laughter.
Laughter is the best sound in the house. I agree.
I am closing my suitcase now. Everything is inside.
Wait, did you take your white rabbit toy?
Yes, he is in his special box. He is sleeping now.
He is a very hard-working rabbit.
He is my best partner. We travel everywhere together.
I am taking the trash to the door. It is very heavy.
Let me take it for you. I am going out anyway.
Thank you, Jack. You are a very helpful person.
I am ready to go. My car is outside.
Here is the envelope for you, Jack. Please check it.
Thank you, Emma. Everything is perfect.
I also put some cake in a box for you.
Oh, chocolate cake. Thank you for the treat.
It is for your daughter or for your dinner.
I will eat it tonight with my tea. It is very kind.
Toby is coming to say goodbye. He is very happy.
I see him. He's waving his hand.
He wants to know if the rabbit is real.
Tell him it is a secret. Magicians never tell.
That is a good answer. It keeps the magic alive.
I am putting my suitcase in the car now.
It is a very big car. Is it easy to drive?
Yes, it is very comfortable. I drive a lot every week.
Have a very safe journey home, Jack.
Thank you. I hope you have a quiet evening now.
I will. The kids are going home with their parents.
The party was a big success. You did a great job.
Thank you for the magic. It was the best part of the day.
I am happy to help. See you next year, maybe.
Yes, I will call you for Toby's 6th birthday.
I will put it in my calendar. I will be here.
The sun is going down. The sky is very orange.
It is a beautiful end to a beautiful day.
Goodbye, Jack. Thank you again for your kindness.
Goodbye, Emma. Have a great night with your family.
I am going back inside now. The house is quiet.
I am starting the engine. See you soon.
Safe travels. Goodbye.
Goodbye.